everybody. It's me, Mrs. Weber, and I'm here with my favorite distance learning student. This is my daughter, Kaylin. She's 6 years old, and she's in first grade, and we are going to be playing Domino SNAP with you guys today. Okay, so the way that you play is you deal out the deck.
Mommy,
so everybody gets an equal amount of cards, and then the youngest player starts, and she's gonna go first. So you do a card.
4.
All right. So she said her name. You can't see the number, but that's what it looks like. So she said the name of her number, and then I'm gonna do my card. My card is a
1.
My card is a 1. Show it like that. So those did not match. If they matched, then Kaylin, show them what they would do.
Snap.
Snap. You have to snap your hand down on the cards, and whoever snaps the card first gets to choose who they give the cards to. And since there's only 2 of us playing, who are you going to give those cards to? Yep. And I'm giving them to her. All right, so let's play a little bit more. Go for it, girlfriend.
0.
9.
That's really not a match. 0.
8.
6.
3.
11.
0. You're getting all the high ones.
11.
7.
11, 7. 2.
5.
8.
8.
Snap.
Oh. Oops. Hold on. We lost you. Hold on.
We shook the table.
So that's how you snap. Sorry about that with the camera. So I snapped. I got my hand underneath her, so I won the snap. So she's taking the cards into her pile.
I really like sight word snap.
And you can also play sight word snap. Yep, but that's going to be in a different video. And so because I won the snap, I get to go first for the next round. 7.
12.
Okay, now hold that thought. So the whole goal of the game is to see whoever gets rid of all of their cards first. And so whoever gets rid of their cards first is the winner of the game, and then they get bragging rights for the rest of the day. That's kind of how we roll, right?
Wait, what's...
Bragging rights. You get to be like, I won snap. I won snap. All right, you guys, we hope that you're having a fabulous day, and feel free to email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, happy Monday. Say bye.
Bye. I hope O'Brien